In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok if you're new to it. Whether you're diving into the world of AI tools or simply seeking to streamline your project work, Grok can be an incredibly resourceful platform. First, we'll head over to Google, your go-to search engine. Open your preferred web browser, which could be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and type in google.com in the address bar. Once the Google homepage is open, look for the search bar, where you'll type in the word Grok. You might see a list of suggestions appear, but we're interested in just the term Grok. Now, let's proceed to locate the official Grok website. Look through the search results, and you'll see a link that says something along the lines of Grok Artificial Intelligence Software or Grok Home. Click on this link to navigate to the official site. On the home page of Grok, you'll find various features and introductory texts highlighting what Grok offers. It might be tempting to explore these features right away, but let's focus on getting started with the basics. Next, it's time to create a prompt. Let's say you want to generate a presentation on photosynthesis in a fun and engaging manner. You'll typically find a prompt box or dialog section where you can enter your request. It could be labeled as New Project, Start Here, or simply have a plus icon that you need to click to get started. Go ahead and type a prompt such as, "Can you show me photosynthesis in a fun way?" Once your prompt is ready, the next step is to submit your request to Grok. Look for a Submit button, which is usually found nearby or immediately below the prompt box. By clicking this button, you're communicating your request to the Grok system. This is the moment where Grok begins its magic, processing your prompt to understand what you are asking for and starts generating a creative, insightful presentation based on the information you've provided. Once you click Submit, give it a moment. You'll soon see the results of your prompt displayed on the screen, usually in a polished and visually appealing format. Grok typically creates content that is not just informative, but also engaging and perfect for presentation purposes. Feel free to explore other options, like tweaking the prompt or exploring other features Grok might offer to further delve into its capabilities. And that's it. You've successfully navigated your way from the basics of opening Google, searching for Grok, and creating your first prompt to producing unique content. Remember, as you continue to use Grok, you'll become more familiar with its expansive functionality. Keep experimenting with different prompts and discover all the ways this tool can support your learning or project efforts.